Hello Year 4, welcome to Lesson 3 of our maths this week. We're looking at multiplication and division. Today it would be really useful if you could have something like counters to show your maths thinking. You could use shreddy, so you could use pieces of pasta, you could use chocolate buttons, you could use chickpeas, you could use raisins. I don't mind what you use, but you would find this really useful to show your thinking with some counters. So you can pause the video now while you arrange that, and then we'll carry on. Okay, let's have a look at our in focus. So today we're looking at multiplying the same two numbers. What can we see in the in focus? It says this shows 3 times 6. There are 1, 2, 3 lots of 6 marbles. This shows 6 times 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 3. Is 3 times 6 equal to 6 times 3? I'd really like you to pause the video while you show this to somebody in your house with counters or any kind of food counter you can find. Okay, so we can rearrange 3 times 6 to become 6 times 3. We show them in slightly different ways. We could rotate our array, or we could split it in the middle here and move part of it. Okay, I'd love to see what you've achieved at home. So we're looking at some more arrays to start with in the guided practice, and you'll have this on your Word document or a separate sheet. Okay, we're looking at 7 times 2 and 2 times 7. As we go on to question 3, we look at some different ideas for how we could work out the product of these two numbers. Remember, the product is the total when we're using multiplication. We've got a really great question here. Is it a good idea to write 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 49 times? So I'd like you to talk about that with somebody in your house, please. Okay, when you've done that, we'll have a little look at the worksheet. Okay, it says draw circles to show the multiplication facts and fill in the blanks. So I thought we'd have a little look at this. Here's our multiplication fact. 4 times 2 equals. So I can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And that means we're looking for 2 circles in each group to create this array. And then over here, we've got 2 groups, and how many circles are we going to need to complete this array? Pause the video now while you do that. Okay, you're back for the answers. Well done. Here we go. 4 times 2 equals 8, and so does 2 times 4. 8 times 5 equals 40, and 5 times 8 equals 40. And there are the answers for question 2. Remember to show me on Teams your completed learning. Remember to click on turn in, and I shall come back to you with a comment. Take care.